Hello, children. I welcome you all for today's class. Let's begin. Jacob, read these sentences.
John is a good boy. Car is new. Mira is beautiful. You know what? Peter and Luke are good friends. Johnson, Joseph, and I have been to Shimla.
Good. Now, Jacob, tell me, what do you say the words John in the first sentence, car in the second sentence, Mira in the third sentence, Peter and Luke in the fourth sentence, and Johnson, Joseph, and I in the last sentence.
Sir, the words John, car, Mira, Peter and Luke, and Johnson, Joseph are nouns.
Very good. We have already learned about nouns. Now, Khushi, what will you say in English grammar when I replace these nouns like John with he, Mira with she, car with it, Peter and Luke with they, and Johnson, Joseph, and I with we.
Sir, the words he, she, it, they, and we are pronouns.
Excellent! So, we call these words pronouns. Dear students, today we shall learn this interesting chapter, pronouns. So, what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. For examples, John is very active in the class. He always comes first in the class. Here, the word he is used in place of noun John, and therefore he is pronoun. Let's take one more example. Mira lives in London. She is very happy there. Here, the word she is used in place of noun Meera, or noun is replaced with pronoun she, and therefore she is pronoun. Students, remember, pronouns agree with the nouns they replace in number and gender. Firstly, now let's see pronouns agreeing with nouns replacing in number. Here, number means singular number and plural number. For example, mangoes are ripe. They can be eaten now. Here, the word mangoes is plural number, and therefore plural number is replaced with plural pronoun they. We can't say it can be eaten. Let me take one more example. Mobile is new. It looks beautiful. Here, mobile is singular number, and therefore singular number pronoun is replaced with it. We can't say they look beautiful here. Secondly, pronouns agreeing with nouns replacing in gender. Here, gender means masculine gender and feminine gender. For examples, Joseph is handsome. He has fine character. Here, Joseph is masculine gender, and therefore noun Joseph is replaced with pronoun he. We can't say she is handsome. Let us take another example. Meera is clever girl. She never fails. Here, Meera is feminine gender, and therefore noun Meera is replaced with the pronoun she. We can't say he is clever girl. Children, remember, just like we say nouns are naming words, adjectives are describing words in simple way. Similarly, pronouns are replacing words in very simple way. Thank you for watching.